So, Ms. McCurdy, let's talk about the student work product. So, what will those products be, and how will that illustrate the student learning, and how will you use that to assess your own progress toward meeting 1.3 in the CSTP?
Well, in my introduction, I'll have students volunteer answers that relate real life situations to feedback mechanisms, and that will be how I initially explain what they are. Students will be working on a packet. It's called a process-oriented guided inquiry lab. So it's inquiry-based. And I specifically chose this one because the examples that it gives to help students learn about feedback loops are real life. They are biology related, but they're relevant to students' real lives because it's things like childbirth or regulating body temperature. So as I circulate around the room, I will ask students about those feedback mechanisms that they're learning about to assess their understanding. And then I will also be randomly selecting students to ask them if they can give me a non-biology example and giving them pride bucks if they can do that. And then the final work product is their completion of the exit ticket. And the questions on the exit ticket also relate to real life scenarios that students will be familiar with.
Okay, so we're doing our part of our pre-observation process now, and I'll read through the lesson plan again, and it would help if you make notes on the lesson plan, telling me exactly where you think you're going to be introducing the things that I can observe that prove that you are making progress for the CSTP.
Okay, I can do that.
And is there any other help I can give, or something that I should know before I come in?
No, there's nothing else that I can think of.
Okay, I think you said that we don't seem to have any permissions troubles about filming students. Is that right?
Yeah, that's right. They all have signed waivers that the school can film them.
Okay. And I'll be using three things: the provided student work, photocopies of a few students' work, chosen at random, my notes, and of course I can loop back and look at the video recording to see what went on and refresh myself, and then I can make my own notes on the progress. And I think then we can come to an agreement on what needs improvement. And I guess you get a bit of a vote, but I'll give my input on coaching there too. Does that work?
Okay, yeah, sounds good.
Okay, thanks.